Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
We've been monitoring the situation here on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network very closely because, of course, we have a flash flood watch in effect. That means conditions are primed for flash flooding with fairly saturated ground and continued rain. The one location that we've really been watching closely for you has been Limestone County, including Athens and Tanner, where we have a flash flood warning in effect. But the good news here is that the rain continues to let up. We've just got some light showers left over on this particular location. Look at the rainfall rates here, down to less than half an inch in an hour. And I know that still sounds like a decent amount of rain just within an hour's time span. But when we looked at this about half an hour ago, we were just shy of 2 inches an hour. So the rain is becoming lighter. That's some good news for the flooding concern. It's good news for your evening drive along 72 in Athens as well, where standing water was likely quite a bit of an issue just a few minutes ago. Look at the slightly wider view. I've looped this for you so you can see the rain continues to break up here from Madison County over into Limestone County. It's still raining fairly heavily in southern Morgan County. But aside from that, if we take a farther look off toward the west here, up towards our Muscle Shoals radar, I've also seen some heavy rain around the Underwood-Petersville area. I've got a lightning strike showing up there in north central Lauderdale County. Florence itself is staying fairly dry, but the rain is heavier just on the northwest side of town. And then back farther toward our eastern counties, around Marshall County, a couple of spotty showers there west of 431, west of Gunnersville. Jackson and DeKalb counties are fairly quiet, one little sprinkle around Fort Payne. Here's your view on the Wave 31 Sky Camera Network, and you'll see the rain off in the distance here, that shower from Decatur. We're in the mid-70s, and you can also see the rain in the distance there from Montesano looking over Huntsville, 74 degrees. Muscle Shoals, there is rain off in the distance. I was showing you that as well, but each one of these cameras, we don't have raindrops on the camera lens, and we're in the lower 80s where it stayed fairly dry. Muscle Shoals and Gunnersville both at 81 degrees. Look at the rainfall totals from the past 24 hours, and you will see spots around Limestone, Morgan, Madison counties there where we've got that orange shading between about 4 and 5 inches in spots if we're closer to that red shading. And that's the reason why we're talking about that flash flood watch, because the ground already has so much water in it that any additional rainfall in a quick amount of time can quickly cause flash flooding. But through tonight, showers for the most part are starting to wrap up. We're down to 69 degrees. It's mostly cloudy otherwise. Watch future radar as we go through the rest of tonight into about 9 o'clock. A spotty shower still here and there, but not the kind of rain that we've been seeing earlier today. All the way into early Wednesday morning, it's more of the same. Temperatures starting in the lower 70s. By the time we get into the afternoon, clouds start to break up a little bit, and by 3 o'clock, we'll have some new showers and thunderstorms developing here at the peak of daytime heating. But once we get past sunset, a lot of that starts to fade. That's 9 o'clock all the way into Thursday morning. We'll be left with even a little bit of sunshine starting Thursday. And that's when the tide begins to turn a little bit. Mainly afternoon showers and storms will be in our forecast Thursday and Friday. Same thing heading into the weekend. But those of us that aren't seeing rain tomorrow afternoon, with the humidity in place, a little bit of sunshine, it's going to be feeling as hot as the mid-90s when actual temperatures will only be in the mid to upper 80s at the warmest. 85 degrees I've got you for your forecast high tomorrow. Hit and miss showers and a few thunderstorms. Your 7-day forecast shows that once we get into the weekend, notice the rain chances dropping to only isolated chances. It's a 20% chance for rain Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And the Trash Pandas looks like the games may have a little better chance of not facing rain delays by the end of the week as well.